Hello, my name is Frank. After 15 years of network and server operation and maintenance, today I will explain how to build your own home lab from scratch. A home lab is a small server lab in your own home. You can use it to save photos of your whole family. Good downloader. Build a smart home. Build your own website. It's not as complicated as a company, but very practical. It also feels particularly fulfilling. Many people think that this is something that can only be played by experts. It's not. As long as you follow me step by step, you can completely build it yourself. Okay, now let's get to the heart of today's content. The home network is the foundation of the entire home lab. The foundation was not laid properly. Nothing on it is stable. Let me tell you the 5 most error-prone points. The first one is that the router is the heart of the whole family. Ordinary home routers can easily fail when multiple devices are running simultaneously. It is recommended to choose soft rooting or directly an enterprise-class router. The stability will be much better. Second, wired is always more stable than wireless. I want to emphasize this point in particular. NAS servers, surveillance cameras, and other core devices must be connected with a network cable. Third, don't buy the switch too cheap. At least a gigabit switch. If allowed, you can use the 2.5 gram switch. Fourth, VLAN segmentation is very important. What is a VLAN? The simple understanding is to separate different devices placed in different networks. Fifth, power and heat dissipation cannot be saved. And lab equipment is usually running 24 hours a day. It is recommended to prepare AU, that is, the uninterruptible power supply. Okay, so that's the precautions. Let's talk about a small budget, how to get started. The router recommends choosing soft root or small. Business. The router can choose wireless or wired. Switch recommends gigabit start. If the budget is sufficient, you can choose the 2.5 grams switch. You will have better performance. Synology is the most worry-free choice, or form your own NAS. Lower cost and greater flexibility. You can choose between 2 or 4 sets. You don't need to buy a new server. Secondhand mini host or NUC is completely sufficient. The price-performance ratio is very high. Remember one sentence. First set up the network, and then slowly add services. Don't come up and buy a bunch of things. The foundation is unstable, and the back is full of trouble. It is recommended to use 8 generations and 9 generations. Intel CPU, mini mainframe, or more than 10 generations are okay. Lenovo, HP, Dell can do it. Next, I will talk about a few novice pits that I have seen the most. These are all true cases. Please pay attention. First, the whole house uses wireless NAS, which is very slow to transfer files. Sometimes it's disconnected a lot. That's the most common question. The core equipment must go through the network cable. Second, I bought a cheap switch. If the number is full, the package will be switched and the network will be unstable. Third, no backup is the worst pit. If a hard drive goes down, all the data is gone. Fourth, all devices are placed on the same network. The security risks are very serious. Remember this sentence? First, steady, then fast, then strong. Don't pursue perfection. Let them run first. Optimize step by step. Well, in today's episode, we first talked about the basics of home networking, including what is a home lab, the 5 core considerations for network construction, the recommended configuration for getting started, and the 4 easiest pitfalls for beginners to step on. I will continue to come out later. Detailed router explanation, NAS purchase, Docker entry, monitoring, and construction. Take your time, level by level. If you're already running your own home lab, want to know which server is down at any time? You can try the software I developed. Service once offline. iPhone pushes notifications for the first time. The free version has 15 monitoring points. No credit card required. The link is in the video introduction. If you are interested, you can give it a try. Welcome to tell me what your current network environment is like in the comment area. What's the problem? We communicate together. Thanks for watching. See you next time.